Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope this video helps you get some knowledge on how to clean your KD 8's. I have these shoes here. They're pretty worn, pretty dirty. I'm gonna teach you guys some tips and tricks on how to make them look almost brand new. But before we get started, I want to thank everyone that watched my previous video about removing creases from Air Force Ones. I never thought that that video would get anywhere near that many views, so thanks for that. And please keep supporting me. Like this video, subscribe, click on that post notifications, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, for this first step, what you're going to need is some toothpaste, a toothbrush, and your shoe. What we're going to want to do is grab the toothpaste, put it on all the white soles. Not too much, but not too little. So we're going to start with about that much. Go here. Put it on the end. And then now what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your toothbrush. You're going to want to wet it a little bit. And then you're just going to want to spread all this toothpaste around. You don't have to scrub it quite yet. You just want to evenly place all the toothpaste all around the shoe so it can soak. Now once you've got your shoe all covered in toothpaste, what you're going to want to do is just after your KDs are all covered in toothpaste on the soles, what you're going to want to do, grab a cup of water, rinse your toothbrush, and just scrub. Make sure you get in all the crevices. After you have scrubbed all the white on the soles, you're gonna want to just rinse it off with water. Them, what you're gonna want to do, get a cup of warm water, and then what I use is I use these Tide Pods that have OxyClean in them. So you're gonna want to just grab one of these and dump it in the cup. You're gonna want to wait a couple seconds for it to start dissolving, and then you're gonna want to mix it. Alright. Now what you're gonna want to do is grab your toothbrush, just dip it in that solution, and start scrubbing the leather. Trying not to get the leather too wet. Alright, once you got the entire shoe scrubbed down, you're just gonna wanna lightly rinse it, get off all that soap. Alright, once you got the shoe all rinsed off, you're gonna wanna try to dry it as best as possible. Alright guys, once you've got the shoe dried as best by hand, you can, if you have one, blow dry it. You can blow dry it, speed up the process a little bit faster. If not, you can just let them air dry. It's really up to you. I'm gonna blow dry them because I'm impatient. So. Alright guys, after putting the soles back in and relacing the shoe, this is my final result. They came out pretty good. There's still a little bit of darkness around the soles. Other than that, the shoe is a lot cleaner. The soles are white. Leather's a little bit worn. There's not much I can do about that. But yeah, that's how you clean KD8s. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you.